Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your headphones Beats Studio Pro on your iPhone. So, before I show it to you, it works only for Apple Music. Now, if you go to the settings, right here we have no information about equalizer, so we cannot change it or use some preset. But if you use Apple Music, you can in the settings click at the search, write EQ. Right here we have it, equalizer in the music. Click on it. And now we can set bass boost. So you need to click at the increase bass line. And now you use it, so then you can go back if you want to. And that's it. But as I said, it works only for the Apple Music. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!